Ooh, that's pretty. Hey, welcome to 2022 and welcome back to Fat Kid Garage. In today's episode, we're going to be installing the engine in my 2007 Mustang GT. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but I figured since the 2021 is over and all the crap that came with it is done, I could start the new year off right and get some of my projects done. So, as you can see behind me is the engine that we're going to be installing in my 2007 Mustang GT. To give a little history on this Mustang, I bought it probably 3-4 years ago. It was a strip shell, no interior, no tranny, no engine, no suspension, no brakes. It was just pretty much a strip shell. And I got it running, driving with just a stock drivetrain, drove around for a while, and then decided that I wanted a little more power. So I've been building this engine over the last year and a half and finally getting a chance to get it in the car. So this is, I'm pretty excited to get this car done. It's been quite a while. So hope you guys enjoy this video and check it out. So here's the engine. It is a steel block, 3-valve, has a steel crank, Manley rods, has maul pistons, hot rod cams. It's got pipes, short tube headers on it. 2.3 Whipple Supercharger. Right now it's got 60-pound injectors in it. Once I get it in the car, get it running, figure out how much boost it's making, then we'll step it up to probably some 80s and a smaller pulley. The goal is to put, 700-ish to the tire if it'll do it up here in Colorado, but I've been really excited to get this car done. The one thing that I wish I would have done was I still have the stock 3650 transmission in it. I will eventually upgrade it to a T56, but right now this is what I want to get back going and, break the clutch in, break everything else in. But I'm just excited to get the car done. The car itself, up here, it is a 2007 GT, has fairly low miles on it. Again, I got it as a shell and put everything on it that's on it. It has strange adjustable struts, coilovers, it's got the Brembo brakes. Rear suspension is done on it. It has some strange adjustable shocks on the back, adjustable springs. It's got MagnaFlow exhaust on it. True forged wheels. It's got 20 by 10.5 and 20 by 9s in the front, or 20 by 11s in the back, and 20 by 9s or 19 9s in the front. The car is really sharp. Once we get the engine up in the car, I'll set it down and kind of do a video of the inside. Has a GT500 interior in it, but figured I'd do a little video of dropping the car down over the engine, and I'll go from this point to the point I get it running and on the dyno, and we'll see how it goes. So the suspension I put under this car is all BMR. It's got BMR K-member, BMR control arms in the front. Again, we have the strange adjustable coilovers. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that stuff together, and then we'll set the car back down so we can kind of look at what's under the hood now and see how everything fits. All right, we got that side done. Let's go ahead and move on to the other side, and then we'll take a look under the hood. Ooh, that's pretty. Gotta say, that went a lot smoother than I thought it would. Dropping the car down over the K-member with the engine on it. So all the suspensions bolted back on. K-member secure, transmission mounts on. Now we just gotta do wiring harness. Got the radiator mount, all that stuff to install, and just start buttoning everything up. Gotta say, I'm pretty excited. So that's probably going to do it for this episode of Fat Kid Garage. Stay tuned for more on this car, and I'm going to jump back on it tomorrow and try to get a bunch more stuff done on it, and I'll do a quick video on the progress. So stay tuned for more on Fat Kid Garage. I'm out.